kubor baman kasngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Let's give a big.
Meghalaya has about 5,000 schools. Nagaland, which is slightly lesser than us in population, also has number of schools about 4,000. But Meghalaya, we have 14,000 schools in the state of Meghalaya. 10,000 more than Tripura has. We have 55,000 teachers. It is not just about degrees. It's about building the character. It's about the discipline, the human being that comes out after the person is educated. The faith, the belief, the fear, the love of God, the patriotism for their land, the respect for their elders, the hard work, commitment, sense of purpose. I would like to see that our education system should be able to nurture and bring out children with true character. That is real education. And therefore I say that we have a very, very long way to go. But I must compliment the Nartiang Presbyterian Higher Secondary School for the kind of contribution that you have made to society today.
MDCs from the council who are present with us in this wonderful mornings. And also I would like to thank our Deputy Commissioner from West and Hill districts and our SP of West and Hill district.
Banyo iki kubor baman kasngi subhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kublai shibu.